Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for tuning in. I always like to section off the hair before I start to braid, and today we will be doing 6 feed-in straight backs. My client don't want to deal with her edges every day, so I am going to swoop the edges into the braids, but I'm being extra careful to make sure that there's no tension. Everyone have their methods. Some like to use the rat tail comb, but me, I prefer to use my nails. Whichever is easier for you to accomplish the stitch look, that's what I would recommend. But me personally, using the comb tend to take a little bit longer, so I just use my nails. I like the stitch effect all over the head and not just like in the front or in the middle. So if you notice, I am doing it stitch all the way down to the back of the head. Let's zoom in so you can see the full effects. That's how your stitch braids should look. I get questions about, doing the stitch braids all the time. Me personally, it's self-taught. No one actually sat down to teach me how to braid, period. But with the stitch braids, it is a little bit time consuming and does require a little bit of your patience. So I would say the best thing to do is to keep practicing, and it's always best to practice on an actual human, because although you can practice on a mannequin, but it's better to do it on a real head. Watch out now. Look at that, look at that. Make sure to start the braid with the natural hair, and then as you go, you can go ahead and add little pieces of the braiding hair. Sorry about the lighting. It is a beautiful day today and the sun is out, so it might be a little bit glare going on. My apologies. You guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, thumbs up this video. We're almost done. Now these 6 feet in braids are perfect for a quick vacation, or if you just don't want to deal with your hair, period. This is definitely a go-to look. Very classy, but chic, and just lit. What have we done under the sun? we're at the point where it's time to dip the braids in hot water, so make sure to protect your client's neck. Using a scissor to cut off all the flyaways and to make sure all the braids are even. A little mousse to keep all the flyaways down. Protect your client's face from the hairspray, and of course, edge wrap. And don't forget to add mousse and hairspray to the bottom once you already dip them in hot water. And this is your 6 feet-in stitch braids. Yay! Thank you all so much for tuning in, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button. Peace and love.